OAWALKER here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Pick this up. I'm basically due for an upgrade, so I decided to try iPhone for a bit, pick it up and see how it is. And you can see the box, they've actually made the box a lot thinner as well. If you can see the iPhone 12 Max, this is the 512 gigabyte. You see, basically this doesn't include a charger, and it saves in weight, shipping costs, and more environmentally friendly and all that kind of cool jazz. So yeah, I'm just gonna open it up. We've got a little tab here. Oh, it slides off. This slides up. So I did get it in blue. Wow, that looks really good. In terms of packaging, it does seem to be packaged pretty well. So you can see how it looks there. Absolutely amazing. Let's lift this up. There's not much you get in the box. Let's put this to one side. So you have a charging cable, and this is a Lightning to USB Type-C. So I did buy Apple's charger for like £20 off from a website, and it's 20-watt charger. So I'm gonna be using that. It's just a shame that they don't include it in the box, but it is what it is. And then you got the SIM removal tool, and you got an Apple sticker. So that's pretty cool. Let's close this up. Let's put this to one side and take a look at the phone. So you got the phone here. You got like a cover over the screen. You can see you got the sides. I've only touched it for like 2 seconds, and there's fingerprints on the side already. You have the toggle switch here to silence the phone, volume rocker, your SIM card tray right there. At the bottom you got your speakers, your Thunderbolt, nothing at the top. On the right hand side you got a power button, and on the back you've got the 3 cameras. You got the LiDAR sensor and the flash, and you can see just how the blue looks. The blue looks very good. I really do like the blue. So let's peel this off. Wow, it sounded amazing. So the screen here, this is I believe it's a 6.7-inch screen. So obviously it's got this new protection on the screen that's meant to help reduce scratches on the screen. But I do have a screen protector in the case that I'm going to be putting in there. So yeah, so like I mentioned at the start, it is 512 gigabytes or 6 gigabytes of RAM. I was just going to boot this up and take a look. The screen just looks amazing in the hand. I like the boxy kind of feel to it. It just feels better in the hand as opposed to the curved edges. It feels very nice, and it's massive. It really is massive. And I do have big hands myself, so let's pick the language, just kind of go through the setup process a bit. United Kingdom, quick start, set manually. So I'm going to go through the setup process and get everything set up, and I'll be right back. So I've got everything set up now, signed in. I haven't downloaded any apps or anything like that. It's just a quick look and unboxing. I'll quickly show you the camera. Open it up, take a video. Obviously my room's pretty dark, but first impressions, let's get something to take. The camera looks alright. Took a picture of that. It looks pretty clean and sharp. Obviously I'll have a camera test and video test that will be coming out very soon, so keep an eye out for that. Overall, just a quick look at the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'm going to be doing some videos on there as well. I'm going to be doing different videos, gameplays. If there's any video that you want to see on this phone, just let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do it. And yeah, this is a very, very nice phone, and it's big as well. It actually feels pretty good in the hand. if you do have small hands, you may struggle with this a bit, because I do have big hands. It does help like reachability at the top. I've got big hands, but if you've got smaller hands, it's going to be a bit more difficult, so bear that in mind if you are considering getting this phone. But yeah, overall pretty nice. If you want me to do any videos, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll have a look, and if I could do them, I'll do them. And yeah, give the video a thumbs up, let me know in the comment section down below. Are you getting one? Has yours arrived yet? Leave all the good stuff down below, and thanks for watching. Peace.